Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Murigereria Ensoko TV ko kwani kuranonse asure mambia bono ritukeriga hari komina rimo asomutinyo gatatu mwaka w'echile fibere 2025 na rimo no kugera kwa ribuna kwagenderero bya asemambia bono na boyiga ngendere tukubwatia merobiri yonsi Ensoko TV kuro chinsa ikomina ibiri cheke mambi go ikera bori kana ningo kwarigania somurubiri yoga bwetrobini kurandonsi asure aso ubonchiria sobo kororia semirimo yago na boyiga bari muri ase sabari tusanga asobwamo go chakera bono gweka chinsa isano nemo chebono mubasasa mange ayogendere tokwarekana aya etire na boyigo ayara kubwatia emambia yabono tubwati gwetera senchira yo mutandao gwekerero Facebook na boigo sensemo ya YouTube Ensoko TV namba ya mawasiliano na mono ekero tuguchigosoa asenkwani ya itemambia yabono na mono ekero tuguchikumurikira igoro yesabaria guchia Singapore amange narakonye gukwanirwa aroro na mono magega yige karogo kwarekana rituko ya igoro egatie kiama kia ODM amuri kiama kia UDA kioge kariku kia reitwe amuno muraiwe nse Dr. William Samuel Ruto amuno muraiwe kiama kia ODM boigo Senator we county ya Siaya Oburu Odinga inatura chukwanira asubwa gare mambia bone namba nigere noti isano na ibere isano na isato na mama gatano mweri wa beka isato asogotume jumbe ya genyinga na boigo asogochwa kesimia mambia ya boro chake ko sanga asubwamo elitariane Ishmael Mogere. Asomo chakarema mbiabono omo waziri wa mache engineer Eric Mugabo igomo waziri wa mangana ya barasane chigosori Salim Vuria mokonyi wa governor we county ya Kwale Chirema Kombo mobunge wensemo yebunge ya Kinango Rai Samuel Gomzi na baraibande nigo baraturubwaga chibweri bwago ria makamini bwa abo asisa location ya makamini ensemo yebunge ya Kinango county ya Kwale ubwaga chobwo nigo bwa chagete chitariki osomutinyo 11 mwaka w'echile fibere 20 na nigo waikire ekerengo merongo etano nomo na isano na ibire buna bakwerera emambia yabono ase etari yo ekoragwa amuno mu waziri wa mache engineer Eric Muga.
If it starts spilling at 6 meters high, what happens when you go to the 12 meters high? Is there a possibility, Tuma, because that side is very low, and this side you can see there is that embankment that is big enough, is there a possibility of a side spill? And that might necessitate you to have what we call salt dams. It has happened elsewhere. We have it in Dwake. If it happens in Makamini, you have a problem with your budget.
So the issue is on your elevation. Just to remember about your...
How good are your elevations? Because if you get them wrong, if this is 6 meters and it is spilling already, what happens when we get to 12 meters? Will you, the elevation from that side, when you take your levels, I don't know what is your benchmark. Ukifika kule, you might have a problem with that cover.
So the spillway is on this other side.
Okay.
The crest, as engineers said, is 199.
Okay.
So the dam itself will go up to 199.
Okay.
But the normal water level, the maximum water level has been set at 195. So
you have an overboard of 4 meters?
Sorry, 3.5 meters.
3.5? What for? Waziri, what we are trying to do here is that we have a coastal region master plan. This is one of the interventions to feed into that. Okay. In Kwale, apart from what we are doing with Gozrai at Mwache, and that water used to come all the way from Mzima Springs in Elekea wapi, Mombasa. This intervention will help reduce that strain on that pipeline. When this is complete and Mwache is complete, which now will also be feeding Mombasa, the water that used to start from Mzima inakuja huku will also terminate within Kwale. So Kwale will have different sources, this being one of them, and the Mzima pipeline being a second one. Now, the coast people used to be fed from Baricho. Mombasa mostly, or the mainland island used to get a component from Baricho. we are now solarizing Baricho. When Baricho is complete, solarization, and Mwache comes to play, then the water that was coming from Kilifi, Kule Sabaki oil fields, all the way to Mombasa, will have to be curtailed huko Mtwapa, so that it can focus on feeding the Kilifi na watu wetu huko chini Watamu, etc. Sindio? Unajua ile Gongoni pipeline inakuja odhe mpaka Kilifi. So this is a pawn in a grand scheme. It's a cog in a machine. And these are installed for quite some time. One of them was because of financing, and the second thing I know goes where you understand is because of the land issues. I know adjudication ilikuwa imeanza, and we have given you some money. You can confirm bana. Ambia wananchi ukweli, si ndio? That money, a certain percentage has gone to National Land Commission to show our commitment to completing this. The second phase is to bring the contractor back to site. And that is why I'm here today, to confirm that this guy comes back to site. So that as we finish Mwache, and you know now we have looked for some resources to fast track that. I think you saw that approved in cabinet.
Yes.
Nampigia waziri makofi alinisaidia kwa hiyo biashara. Si ni kweli? Simgala muwe na haki umpe. He was the first support. Mimi kwanza nikuje kwa sababu tuko hapa kwa mambo ya maendeleo. Serikali ya Dr. Samoei William Ruto sio serikali ya hadithi mingi. Ni serikali ya mradi hapa, serikali ya maji, serikali ya barabara, serikali ya masoko, serikali ya masomo, serikali ya kuajiri walimu na kuajiri watoto wetu. Lakini kabla hatujaenda kwa mambo mingi, mimi nilipokuwa waziri nimekuwa Kwale ili zaidi ya safari ya mara 5. Mara yangu ya kwanza kuja hapa nilikuja pale Mwache Dam. Mnajua Mwache Dam nyinyi? Mnajua lile boa tunajenga pale laitwa Mwache? Na nilipokuja pale kulikuwa na vita, kulikuwa na vurugu, wananchi walikuwa na hasira, na Gonzi Rai hakuwa amenipanga vizuri. Baraza langu la kwanza nikiwa waziri wa serikali ya Kenya, nikifanya kazi chini ya Mheshimiwa Daktari Samoei William Ruto, nilifanya pale Mwache. Wameniita mkutano, wakaniambia njoo tuzungumze. Hawako waniambia kuwa wamepanga wananchi kule wanisubiri na mambo mengi. Shida zao zilikuwa chache tu. Kwanza watu wa Kwale wapate kazi katika lile bwawa. La pili, fidia za mashamba ambazo zitatumika katika kufanya lile bwawa. Mimi nikawasikiza vizuri, na hoja zao wakawa wafupi wa maneno, na nikawaambia jukumu umenitwika, wacha nirudi kule Nairobi nikaongea na Rais Dr. Samoei William Ruto. Pia nikaenda kumuona kijana wa nyumbani Bwana Mvurya, ndiposa anipe historia ya yale majanga na zile shida zimeikumba miradi ya serikali ya maji hapa Kwale. Na mimi nishukuru sana kwa sababu Ngozi tulikaa naye chini, tukakaa chini na Mvurya, tukakaa chini na serikali yote ya Dr. Samoei William Ruto, tukatafuta fedha na tukaelewana tutoe fidia za mashamba katika lile tume la ardhi kulingana na ile kazi inafanyika. Na wananchi wa Kwale wakanisikiza na wakanipa nafasi, na kwa sasa nikawalipa in what we call in English in phases. Mahali kunafanyika kazi unamlipa mwananchi, na mpaka sasa ile safari inaendelea vizuri. Bwawa letu la Mwache liko takriban 73% complete. Na mimi nimekuja nikibeba habari njema kwamba wiki iliyopita zaidi ya mwezi tulikaa pale katika baraza la mawaziri na tukaongeza pesa zaidi ya milioni zingine 14 ndiposa tukamilisha lile bwawa kubwa, tujenge Mwache Check Dam 1 na tujenge Mwache Check Dam 2, na hayo yote ni maendeleo ya Kwale. Ule mradi mwananchi ukikamilika, tutakuwa tumeweka zaidi ya bilioni 35 hapa Kwale nyumbani. Si hiyo ni maendeleo wananchi? Maendeleo. Watu mnasemaje wa Makamini? Mimi nikakuja tena nikaambiwa shida za hapa kwa hili sasa damu letu la nyumbani la Makamini. Nikakuja nimepata kuna hadithi za Bunuasi, mara contractor asongi, mara wananchi na contractor hawaelewani, mara mwananchi anataka fidia, mara sijui nini, mambo yakawa mengi. Vivyo hivyo tukakaa chini tena Nairobi na hawa viongozi wenyu, na tukaanza safari ya kutafuta suluhu. Ukiona nimesimama hapa, inamaanisha ile safari ya mikutano ya kutafuta suluhu tumeisafiri kwa miezi mingi.
Ase nsemo yende mubunge bwa nsemo Embakasi East Babu Owino nigaikire ase kigambiro ase abekire kina ekyukie gochigotenene omurubiri bwoko batagorera nabo igo kobang'anya abananchi be county ya Nairobi ase chiro ya Gikomba Shauri Kamkunji nabo igo Blue Estate. Owino nigo amochire oburai no bakorerwe serikali enene nabo igo eye county ase gotobwatiri chiko nabo igo gotaba nobonya obonyamwanya bantu ase bono kigambiro giateneniri ogotagurwa okwo na kung'anyia abananchi korwa ase chisemecho.
We have residents here who have private properties, and the government wants to evict them, to move them. There are schools in those properties. There are health facilities in those properties. People have sentimental attachment to those properties because these people have stayed there for over 2 decades, over 20 years. And if people have stayed there for over 20 years, there was through the principle of legitimate expectation, the doctrine of legitimate expectation, these people have been paying land rates, they've been paying the land rent, they've been paying the premiums. These people have gone to government offices who have approved even connection of electricity. This shows clearly that these people are the true owners of this property. So we want to warn the government of these games that they are playing with the lives of Kenyans. These Kenyans have worked so hard. These Kenyans wake up very early in the morning on a daily basis just to look for the next meal, just to look for the next school fee. These Kenyans are struggling. But the same Kenyans that you need to protect their inherent interests, you pursue them. You frustrate them. You want to take the little that they have. And as a government, it's quite shameful. The county government of Nairobi, we know that you failed. Do not include these innocent Nairobians in your failing strategy. We will not allow you to take land that privately belongs to these individuals. I want to thank you very much, and I want to tell these residents that we have a court order blocking, restricting any government official, any police officer, any kanjo person, any person from the county, any person from the national government, from stepping on your parcel of land. Whatever you do with that information is up to you. From stepping, which means if they step, that amounts to trespass. And you know how you should deal with people who are trespassing on your parcels of land.
I wish to thank the panel of lawyers who have represented us today in this case, and especially special thanks to Babu Owino, who has been studying with us, who has been studying with the Nairobians, wherever they are. One, as it has been said, this RAD has been there, we have been there from 2002, and we have all the papers which are required. We have the allotments, we have been paying the RAD rates and RAD rents, anything you call it, we have, and we have all the papers. It's very unfortunate that we have been receiving threats from water resources, Nairobi County, and that they are going to demolish our investments. That is where we have invested. Most of people who are living there, that is their pension. they have left job and that is their pension. Imagine today that pension is removed from them. That means that all the people are dead there, and we cannot allow that. So through our courts, which we were represented today, I thank the courts of this nation that they will start with the less fortunate, poor, and also the rich.
Mimi niko na huzuni sana. Nikimagine mimi nimelelea watoto wangu pale Kikomba, wengine bado hawajamaliza skuli, na sasa hivi tuko njia ya kufukuzwa na shindo. Kwani sisi wa Kenya tunatakana tuende wapi? Watoto wangu watakosa masomo, nitakosa pesa hata ya kukula. Ile miaka niko nayo ni mingi sana. Mimi niko na 59 years. Hii shamba ya nani nitaenda kuingia? Ama ni wapi nitaelekea? Ndio niwe Kenya niko sawa. Ukijaribu upande hii haiwezekani, ukijaribu upande hii haiwezekani. Sasa hii amenifuata mpaka mahali mimi napata usaidizi ya watoto. Ni wapi tena mimi nitaelekea? Si kwa manyumba ametubomolea, si kwa makazi ametubomolea tena. Sasa lengo lake ni pale pale tu ndio analenga. Ukusema ukweli, kwani serikali inataka mwananchi wa kawaida akae wapi? Hatuna haki. Wanataka watoto wetu wakuwe waizi, nataka watoto wetu tukue machokora si wa mama wazee. Tutaelekea wapi kusema ukweli ni Kenya? Eji kama yangu kusema ile ukweli. Nitaenda wapi na sina shamba? Shamba yangu ni pale Kikomba. Niko mpaka na wajukuu wananitegemea mimi. Ni wapi kwingine nitaelekea kusema ukweli? Serikali inatakana sana iangalie mwananchi wa chini kama venye alituambia atatuangalia. Sio hivyo anafanya. Sasa anaendelea kutufinya. Sasa amefika shingo kabisa, sasa ananing'oa. Na ukweli mimi kusema ukweli niliamka mapema sana kuchagua huyu president. Lakini saa hii najuta sana. Maana ningejua kesho nitalia sababu yake, singemrushia hiyo kura yangu.
Mimi ile kitu ningesema, sisi tulikuwa laini ya kwanza kuchagua huyu president wetu. Na sasa yeye ndiye ametufinya, ametuambia tutoke kwa mto. Yeye kwa mto hatuyuko kwa mto, amepima 30 mita. 30 mita sio kwa mto, angefuata ile sheria ilikuwa ya mto. Na tena kwa biashara kwa kila mahali ametufuata. Mto imeanza huko juu, haijaanza hapa Kiambiwa ama hapa Bahati. Aanze huko juu kwa matajiri, huko Kirereshwa, huko wapi. Akuje akiteremuka, akitufikia tutaelewa amefanya kazi. Lakini asikuje pale kuna ile maskini, mahali tunatoa school fees, mahali tunatoa pesa ya kulipa nyumba, mahali tunalilia, kwani anataka tuende wapi? Na sisi ndio kwanza tulimtagulia kumchagua. Mimi kama mimi nilifujwa mguu juu yake, nikimchagua nikimulilia. Siku anataka mtu anataja jina ingine, nilikuwa nasikia tu Ruto. Kwani yeye anataka tuende wapi? Kwani yeye anataka atufikishe kona gani? Sasa akitubomolea hiyo mahali tuko tutaenda wapi? Si akuja tuonyeshe tunawatoa hapa, tuwapeleke hapa. Ama ninawatoa hapa, niwaonyeshe hapa. Lakini akitubomolea sisi wote tutaenda wapi? Watoto wetu watakuwa wezi. Watu wengi watakuwa wezi. Tunaelekeshwa wapi? Anatuelekesha wapi? Si akuje ground ya tuface. Na ndio tuone kweli anafanya kazi. Aanze mto huko juu. Mto imeanza huko juu. Akikuja pande ya chini. Ndio akitufikia, ndio tutajua anafanya kazi. Lakini si atuanzie pande hii ya chini. Ya wale watu wako chini. Wale watu wanajitafutia. Wale watu hawana mbele wala nyuma. Anatuelekesha wapi? Si hata haya akuwe na huruma. Juu tulimpea kula kwa kanisa. Si hata yeye arudi kwa hiyo kanisa. Akuwe na huruma yetu. Akuwe na mwananchi. Alilie hii wananchi wote wako hapa. Naongea hivyo lakini tu mheshimiwa asante sana. Juu tuko na watu wengi sana na wako mbele yetu na wako kututetea. Lakini wewe endelea kututetea. Mungu wetu wako juu na wewe.
Asensemo yende mubunge bwensemo ya Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro nigo abere mamincha nekiganche kya National Infrastructure Fund ekyokorengana ne serikali kira chiko konye gwikirania magendero ao buna ubwagachi bwegetige chindege gya JKIA korengana na Ndindi Nyoro nigatebire buna ekiganche ekyo nigo kira chiko tumeka gukabesa chibesa chinde echichira isiko ye budget yense ya Kenya.
Jana tumeona in a lot of fanfare mambo inaitwa ati ile National Illegal Borrowing Fund ambayo ilisaniwa jana pale Nairobi. na nikaona viongozi wanajipiga kifua ati tuna launch hii fund ya kujenga barabara, ya kujenga airport, ya kujenga miundo msingi. Then if you are coming to tell Kenyans ya kwamba unahitaji fund ya kukopa pesa kwa njia mbadala ama kwa njia ile tunaita off the book, ati ndio maendeleo yako ionekane, hiyo ni kama kusema ya kwamba wewe huwezi fanya kazi kama wale marais wengine ambao walifanya kazi kutumia bajeti ya nchi ya Kenya. Nauliza wenye wako serikalini, mnatuambia hii fadi ya jana ati ni kama fadi ya UAE inaitwa mubadala, ingine ya kura ya Australia inaitwa future fund, ati na ingine iko pale Singapore inaitwa Temasek. That is a contradiction, kwa sababu hizo nchi zimeweka hizo funds kwa kuangalia uchumi wa hizo nchi kukuja hapo baadaye, na ndio maana wanawekeza, they are investing. But the fact that the Kenya ili launch jana, that fund is meant to borrow more money outside of the budget. Na sio vizuri tuendelee kubebesha Wakenya mzigo kwa sasa na tuwabebeshe mzigo hata wa kesho. Ni vizuri tuache hii mambo ya kukopa sana. Sasa nchi ya Kenya as we talk tunakopa trilioni 1.5 sasa. Every year tunakopa trilioni 1.5. Mwai Kibaki katika miaka yake yote 10 alikopa shilingi trilioni 1.2. Ile pesa Mwai Kibaki alikopa katika miaka 10. Sasa Kenya inakopa kwa mwaka moja. That in every single day including today, Kenya inakopa shilingi bilioni 4 kila siku. Na hiyo sitahesabu ile tunakopa ya kulipa madeni ya kitambo. Ile nasema ni ile inaitwa debt. Ile mkopo hujahesabu ile umekopa Equity kulipa ile ya cooperative. Tunahesabu tu ile after kukopa kulipa hiyo ile umekopa ya juu. Every day we are borrowing 4 billion shillings. And the fund that was launched yesterday is another way of borrowing money off the book. Hii kizungumiki tunapewa ati for every 1 shilling ati Kenya wants to crowd in another 12 shillings. It is another name of saying kwa shilingi moja Kenya inataka ikope shilingi ingine 12. So mimi nauliza viongozi ambao wenye wako, nani wamewaambia Kenya inaenda pahali ya kwamba sasa mnataka Kenya ibebe mzigo ivujike? Kenya tunahitaji maendeleo sasa, lakini also in posterity tunataka hii development. Tuache hii mambo ya kukopa sana, kwa sababu inaharibu mambo ya uchumi wa Kenya sasa na inaharibu Kenya hata kwa miaka inakuja. Na ya mwisho, mimi nataka pia niulize, hii mambo tukiwa hapa shuleni, Mwai Kibaki ambayo tunajivunia na tumeita hii shule leo Mwai Kibaki, alileta masomo bila malipo. Wale wako serikalini kama hawajui, ni vizuri wajue ya kwamba shule za msingi za primary sasa katika Kenya zinalipa pesa mingi kuliko secondary school za hapa Kiharu. You cannot talk about those grand plans when you are letting down social investments like education. Na mimi nimekuwa na formula ambayo ni rahisi sana. Katika CDF tuondolewe milioni 30 every constituency, na hiyo itakuwa ni bilioni 10 katika nchi ya Kenya. Now governors, ile pesa wanapewa kutoka Nairobi inaitwa equitable share, nao watoe bilioni 10. Yeye national government watoe bilioni 10. We have around 3 to 4 million learners in our senior secondary schools. An extra 30 billion shillings inatosha Kenya kutoa masomo bila malipo kwa mwanafunzi wote ambaye ako secondary school, na pia akuwe anakula shule bila malipo. Tuache sasa kutumia elimu na campaign. Every campaign tunasema tunaleta masomo bila malipo. It is possible for Kenya to do that now.
asense mwende omurai bwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto aburit kuri igoro ekero kiegekaro esebi karo bia serikali yobumoga tikiama kia ODM na UDA nigo aine getia magendero a 10 point agenda asa tebira bakenya bange bataringe nemirimo bono nigo abakenya milioni emo chiruguta isano na isa tubanyorire mirimo na bande chilifu chimi isano na sitone merongebere bakonye kirinse yomurubiri onyota bunenchira yemo yokurwani obukurumi ase chi county nigatebire chi county chiche wetenenera asokorenda chibesa chiabo boigo asensemo yogo kiani rigoriri obugima murai bwense nigatebire weterase omuroberio osha bono abakenya nigo baguswererigo ose nigo banyoriro okugusurerirwa kwerigori ryobugima.
And finally, we are making sure that more Kenyans have income. Today, I report to this PG, we have 1.8 million Kenyans who are not working in 2022. Today they are working. 1.8 million. 640,000 in our housing program, 540,000 in export of labor, 300,000 in our digital platform. We have close to 820,000 under our Nyota program. 120,000 of them, we have given them grants. And I have been to those meetings in person. I have met the 120,000 young people myself. Yeah? Many people were trying to give me small lectures. What is the president doing? Going to give out checks to young people. And I told them, this is how I choose to spend my time. You decide about yours. Okay? Because I believe the young people of this country deserve my time. And time spent with those young people, talking to them, is time well spent as far as I'm concerned. And I have asked the Deputy President and the ministry is concerned to look at opportunities, and we are discussing with our partners to look at opportunities to expand that program. We believe it is a successful program. Many young people have stepped forward, and we believe we can do more and maybe extend that program to close to 2 million young people in Kenya. And in this particular one, we made a deliberate, intentional decision that this is going to be young people between the ages of 18 and 29, because that is where the heaviest load of our young people are. In order to enhance the efficiency of devolution, especially the efficiency of accountability, we made a commitment under the 10-point agenda that we are going to support the county assemblies to be autonomous and independent so that they can carry out their oversight role properly. Parliament, both houses, did agree with us. They brought the bill to me. I signed the bill, and from this June, in the next budget, county assemblies will have their own independent budgets. They will no longer need to make friends with the county governments or to be friends of governors for them to get their resources. We are going to be expecting of the county assemblies to exercise their oversight mandate much more robustly, because now they will not have excuses that in case they are too tough on the governors, they may lack the resources for their county assemblies. That will now be a thing of the past. And then number 4, on devolution again, we realize that just as we have the national administration, the county assemblies, members of county assemblies and governors have no pension. And we have made the strategic decision that the bill that was there in Parliament, which in my opinion has serious challenges, it is my position that we now agree in this PG, that it is only fair. Governors and members of the county assembly are elected leaders like us. The same way we have pension, it's only right that they have pension. You all know that also we have lifted a heavy load that would otherwise be borne by Kenyans on matters to do with universal health coverage. Today, as the numbers we have been told here, we are actually closing to 30. I think by next week or the week after, 30 million Kenyans will be on social health insurance. And this week, forget about the propaganda in the headline of the news that we lost, that some 50 billion can be lost. You know, people are mad. If we lose 50 billion, it means there will be nothing to pay, no hospital. This week alone, we are paying 16.2 billion shillings, this week alone, for PHC and for SHIF, this week alone. We are paying the highest amounts of money to any hospital that has ever been paid under any other administration or under any other program. That is the reality. That is a fact. So, in terms of cost of living, we are dealing with health to reduce bills paid by citizens. We are dealing with education to reduce bills paid by citizens. We are managing fuel to reduce transport costs. We are dealing with food so that we can reduce the cost of living. So I want members of this PG to walk with your heads high. This administration, the administration you have formed, is tackling cost of living head on.
Muwaziri wa mang'ani chise chesko Musalia Mudavadi nigaerere buna obuya mborao asokwika asobore michinchira chekerero na boigo obunchirili asorogongo rwa Africa erioko ene kibuna munchirili ngo cyare kororekana Mudavadi ka kwana sege karoke manye kaire buna Africa Rising Pathways Partnership and Priorities nigo boigo amentire buna serikali yense ya Kenya nigagendera tukikase ogosira basaye wetera homuruberio onyota ajira digital na boigo asensemo ya Youth Enterprise Development Fund na boigo Uwezo Fund in
terms of infrastructure, it is clear we are not going to get the kind of aid that we used to get. So as a continent, we must embrace the private sector, the partnership with the private sector. We should not look at the private sector both in-house, that is in the country, in the continent, and external private sector as an opposition. These are partners coming in to work with us to be able to grow our economies. And therefore, in Kenya, for instance, we have now realized that to do better in terms of our infrastructure development, we have now launched, through a legal process, through Parliament, to have an infrastructure fund where the proceeds of our privatization, where we privatize state corporations, we reserve these resources within the infrastructure fund, and then we leverage on it to get more international capital to do our infrastructure, but more on private sector. And in terms of the mineral wealth, we are now borrowing from countries like Norway and others. We want to be able to have a sovereign fund so that the resources that come from our rare earths, the resources that will come from our gold, our cobalt, and so forth, can also be invested in this through this sovereign fund with a proper legal framework anchored in law, and then having the capacity to also engage with international financial markets. This is the way that we are going to look at our future growth. Africa and India then bring together almost 3 billion people. Now, when we look at the population, as you rightly say, it is a young population, robust, energetic. So where is our thrust going to be? Our thrust must be leveraging on technology. Even if it is to look at agriculture, you must have agriculture and the sweetener. And for the young people, this young population, the sweetener is technology. We must, at every level, make sure that we are integrating technology across the policies and across the implementation process. This is how we are going to captivate the young people and really bring them into the mainstream of production and growth in Africa. Any institution, any multilateral institution or framework is as good as the countries that make it. So if we want to have a strong multilateral arrangement, then it is clear that the strength of our individual countries and the order and the organization must be paramount. This is what we will carry over into the multilateral institution or into the continental institution. So we need then to break away from lip service to actualization. If we talk of the 54 countries, and I was listening to my colleagues here, these are 54 countries with 54 currencies. Now, India is 1.5 billion people with the rupee. Then the rupee, you can deal with the dollar, you can deal with other currencies. But on the African continent, the fact that we have 54 countries, all with their own currencies, all with their own individual central banks, then you can see the magnitude of the challenge that we have. We really have to embrace what the Africa Continental Free Trade stands for. We need to get infrastructure that cuts across. We find a lot of our African countries, they would have to go to Europe to connect, to go back to Africa, if they were flying and so forth, or to go to the Middle East and then connect and go back. But lessons, it's as if something is beckoning us, telling us that this is the time. Take advantage of the challenges that are in place. In reference to the Africa Continental Free Trade Area, we need, as a continent, to make sure that governments are not instituting policies on the continent that are anti-integration, that are anti-working together. I speak at this because not too long ago we had the African Union Summit, and the President of Kenya, President William Ruto, is the champion for the Africa Continental Free Trade Area Integration Program. And one of the things that we must deal with is conflict. We must deal with a proper payment system that can actually allow Africans to transact more rapidly, more efficiently. We must be able to ensure that we are also learning from the shocks that we are seeing. The COVID shock was...
Mwasereta we kaunti ya Nyamira Kongo Mogeni nigo asabire serikali koenekia buna habari minkoligeri bari anene mono baria bose bari bago simeke kemerige chae magega yo konyore bonus yeri gulirense ukwara kurase bunge ya Senate Mogeni niga asabire serikali koenekia riguliri chae tiriria gokea insi shilingi 50 nomo na 5 narimo.
In charge of finance. Now let me ask Senator Cheruiyot, you are my neighbor there. How can you form a committee that does not bring on board the tea directors, for example? Because they are the ones who will set the prices. They are the ones who know what factories have earned, how much they are able to give farmers. So if we need to set up a committee, then I'll propose that we need a way of bringing in the bodies that are in charge of marketing and selling the farm produce, like KTDA. They choose maybe directors to sit in the body that will be setting the minimum prices. That's why I will emphasize in my submissions before this House that this thing cannot be done with this framework of saying that we use counties. It will best serve our farmers if we make this something that is done by the national government, so that all bodies that are involved in marketing, setting prices, can come in. For example, and this is something that many countries have done, in farmers, those who are in maize farming, I think the price is set by the National Cereals Produce Board, the whole country. So when a farmer delivers a sack of maize, they know this is the price. And I'm sure that when the government is buying, it's because it has set aside money to support maize farmers. Why can't the same be done for our tea farmers, Mr. Speaker. You know what we earned in West Kenya. Farmers were earning as little as 12 shillings a kilo for tea bonuses. Surely, how can somebody earn a living with 12 shillings per kilo? We should be very candid in this law and say the minimum price for green tea for any farmer in Kenya should not be less than 66 shillings, Mr. Speaker. And if, for whatever reason, whether there is challenges in terms of market out there, if the price falls below 66% to maybe 50%, the government should chip in 66 shillings, Mr. Speaker. Look at what we have done to our judges. We have given them a fantastic retirement benefits through the law that was passed by the National Assembly. That's very good, and I support it. And we need our judges to be given a good retirement package because they do good work. But what are we doing as a country to cushion our farmers? Mr. Speaker,
Biamano asoko choren soko tiyo burusu mugusina bwe kubwati mu rubiri yega emambia yabona sense mentangani asabona niko tukura simiri chiduka na nyuma yogo simiri chiduka ningina ne nayanda mange na monakera turachi kwaso asinkwani yeito emambia yabona toskare ne TV yawo.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi Kurumucho Mano Nairobi Kisii Nyamira Nechingongo chindi chense ya Kenya Abariki baitomba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira yobuikirano Emanya mange Naboigo bwatra Nensoko TV Koigeka chingenjo chiomugusi Ensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ughaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721151500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri ugucakirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene chinga kichonsi ebenga kieriberera gosenga kiyobokendu tawe chanika Autobat Kenya Limited no tulegigiga asingichao nigo tokorosia na koni chibetri uratumia chinga kichonsi chibetri uratumie asegari enke ebasi no nyaneri kurukuro.
Kupitia pale kwa gari yako tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka na battery yechinguru.
betri ya Autobat ni betri ambayo ni spill proof, kumaanisha hiyo betri haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo betri imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss, kumaanisha sasa hiyo betri hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739 697855.
Kwa wale watu wa kujamstatiwa, wachana na betri kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Betri ni Autobat.
shauri sangwe ngararo moijano umuntu batera mabwari
Muligereri bwa Nsoko TV uyu no muroberio gwokongoria mareko na inje mwana mboka Edwin Nyang'au turabe tukumira na kila litukurie iki guchakira chinsa 11 cha mogoroba wikenseyemo ya butuko kugwakorire mirimo yawo yerituko kwabukire orosete uikaransitero ya ubuyanda gitasekerugo orambulete mirondo kunyagusibero ngori na haria se screen ni chingero chikoretwo na mwanambuka Edwin Nyang'au ano to konyora chingero chionsi echiegita na chobenga kwa nubukano echiembegetere ndo gesongengo to ameriria
bakaliya omotoya kabwatwa obe bakaliya omotoya kabwatwa amatukemero ngena gaika kabwatwa
ubugima n'urugendo rubwa tamange amaya namabe umusakito Linet Nyambane niga ngaririe imena isiko ya gusi na gusanga nabaya eteire nabakuyaetera
nchekera na ibole twe undango tebiwa ndabona ibole tukinde buya ngakina kinde buya ekera na chiro ikemia tasta ngachaka ngotifero po ngoira samagoro wani kamenya gutokanga na twaliro wana wachagete
aya nime yo muroberio bo mwenori kira litukule Jumatano chinsabiri chabutuko imeya Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi chinchira chito chigekoro nigo chirasoko goselwa konene gosiriwa ne chinchira chekerero ekira kikiagarira Nsoko TV twachire gutorigesa ku kyomugusi kurwaso kurimera asendiba y'abanyandwarero
oboroso bumugusi boigekerwe omugusi bono ne chinjira cyago goikaransanse na kubeketi bya kwene kingangwe somyo regekoro kyomugusi
wetro muroberio bwigekoro gyeito hasi tokomera nabaga kaba Samuelere naboigabange nabanyika irigo kwanero kwebogia chindagira amasikani chinyangi nemejega ao yumugusi
kera lituko ria Ramisi chinsa ibere igoro imeye TV yao na Mbeya Nsoko TV
na Stephen Nyarike Mbunde tolende ekimira
eye ne Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi
ekoro yeito imeye Nsoko Nsoko ekoro yeito imeye Nsoko Nsoko ibyengia yakire ngumanga bunalero Nsoko
eye ne Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi
morigereria bwensoko TV mambia engia iga kiaragire dakika imwe ya itere gure chinse sano chabara mambia sense moye nde yakabira asomurubiro yoga bwetero bini aseri tukeriga lie Jumatano asogo chucha kumurekera mangana au na mono asenkwani yaito emambia yabone kerukeria abageni bari tuti gusanga amona barabwe mambia yiga bayikire mi studio na kire byamba yaribaga eri ubago kwani kurwa butachake nkwani yaito emambia yabone yokoligereria esabari gucha ya Singapore kerukeria abara ibande bagatebana eri wika Singapore mbare bagocha gweteria abakenya ase yakana tumanya gwika role mambia bono bwati wetera senchiro mutandao gwekera Facebook robega sesemo ya YouTube Soko TV namba ya mawasiliano nigere noti sano na ibiri sano na isatu isano ne mumara katano mweri obeka isatu karokeri twendera tusanga so bamana bogutuma na kubwatwa ujumbe yago ase obwenge gabuke na boigo otume liboli lyage mambia yabono na kiribya bariganye mambia yabono kurwa bo bagukwani kurwa tuchake nkwani yaito emambia bono tuchake kurwa se ensemo yago ekerukeria ugukwani umurigereri bwensoko TV na boigo na kumumanyana ngayokorwa na boigo ugweka kwa weme ensoke mambia bono
ambasamari tangoro kwa Victor Mitema ngorwa Nyamira County Urabu constituency kia Bunyarward ase Kenyoro kia Nyangongo ndo mwanafunzi ase University ya Masai Mara na ndende omo president
we University ya Masai Mara ase uko represent ya semeria ya wanakiwa
yes
mbia mono to cha sensemo yao
Enche ngoro kwa Ezra Choki Ondari korwe constituency ya Borabu Goru Kebirigo it's could drop out yep
okay tuchukwanira mange kurwase ensemo yue mambia yabono nekerekeria tugo chake nkwani yaito gukwanira mangana mange aigani ngombate chinsemo ibere tubwate ensemo abange bakorate bana United Opposition nabo ikontubwate ase ensemo ya serikali ba uriyo gusira serikali no chikuna tukonye gusanga no chikomanyana ningo gusira serikali ningole ase ensemo opposition oso kwamerelia serikali karatu chaka kurwase asobwango mano kurwase ensemo yago Victor emambia yabono nigotago chaka koligereka tukoligori sabari ya Singapore bintu nebinge sana biganire kokorekana eri tumanye gwikera ibirengo biria tuganire gwikerwa sense yetu ya Kenya emenye gutwara maunchiro na kubwekana chinse kiria tokotebana chiabere first world countries na gwikera bone na tukwanikega nchankere kia bwango kiaro siwege kurukwana infrastructure funda nekiganche keiga ekyo gwikera litukoligoro ngia kwaneretwe ase parliamentary group meeting eri ekiama kia UDA na ODM na boigo moisonde gochekera beke okwanerwa nekiganche kekero kerigereria nekiganche chiokonya gusangereria besa na kubekamo enibo eliega neiri gutume kwa guchikoenekia na koreta magendera tuchakura sesemo yago Victor kiganche kekerebuya gosekerbo
according to me kiganche ke natoteba mbiyakere natoteba mbobekere chibesa mostly Kenya na bachiko nyara chia sangererigu lakini nchiri gokorega seri chitakire gokora nabo bagusangereri kebebuya basangereri but finally nchiri wete chia korega seri takire gokora borno na bateba nkobeka bare tingagere tigose konchi korega seri chibwente gokora yeah definitely mbobekere
Ezra
yes
ikero tukwaneke ganche keiga kia infrastructure fund
ya chipese chongo kora chilegasi nabona iganto ndretegasi nabona iganto bate floods in Nairobi the chipese ngora chilegasi mpaka bona iga I want my guy go somete na ketamete na chipese chokolegasi so my friend Victor nakete chokolegasi bono araina yo specific na kika itete chokolegasi unless try korangai
chibese chie tingi nchira chaka okoregas definitely nchira chaka mbono ba ikiganche kikiabekiru bono na kebeku ntore very aware amna chibese chigo cha kusangererigwa ngoye guchire gasibwe nte kokora ntuna abakenya ntomanyete serikali ni sangere but mostly nchirigo chichia korega chitakire gokora bona bagusangereri but because of corruption iga Kenya nchiko nyara okora hasibwe nte gokora
yeah ekera tukwana igoro yamangana ichibesa kera tukwira na maigana guchakulile roboti rulie serikali guchiara bwatu kakero mutienyi gose after meeting ebire no nyekero okoligereria address iri umuraibu ensa guchona na kiru mwaka ekera tukulire gucha na boigo ekera tukwana ngane yiga ensi ya Kenya guchikubwekana buna chinse chindi chiri chikomnyoka first world ekera tibintu birekero okoligereria umuraibu ensa ase nkwani yani agotebana ngakinere no nyene shilingi yaito nyonene dollar ya ringi go boni gani ge gukwandirwa around 129 shillings ekero go ba kwandira mangana inflation nigo yakinete mwaka 2022 wikira boni ga nigera around 4.6 eketo kwandira mangana GDP yani aso gwenge ekero to kwanegoro ya mangana yene yechibesa enengo no boigo obotenenku gwense korenga numra igwense agotebana ense biyagenderete ekero to kwandira mangana yechibesa no boigo kwegendereria asenseme iyo yeni bona kuyeka.
Personally mna omuntu somete tini ko teba nan sembi yenrete ensembo bere se torochi go chibona iga koro abune dollar ya renge paka se kirebona iga ne shiringi koro ko compare dollar ne shiringi shiringi ebonete endete go chance kwa ko mna igendrete ko genda ase nje according to me whatever ensembo bere economy is going down ibna keronko ya dikerere
nkiaga rura sense serikali mwegene tena ensembi yagendrete na Victor tebira na sense mo yeni bo ebesa kiango astrochi na bemon
Victor na rore tuma no kore school ara ba na magana ya dollar tigana
wala
tigana pino na tikete school na tikete na reason terina yo fee amborto waseki lakini tigana wote kero to kwa na magana dollars exchange na money value no matter chiko value kero chiko change go dollars to Kenyan money from Kenyan money to dollars ngo benefit if I may ask you
tubwenete ko kero to kurigerite exchange tubwenete ko benefit mnantu lakini according to nense ndrete tunaenda babaya yeah.
Do you know as ikitira nete wakati ka 128 it was not big ngaki ya uhuru twabata paka 170s type aski kurana na chance ko chama.
It's because of the economy.
Not the economy, my friend. It's because of the development. When you have to want more development, and all the Quirananse, because it talk about Savamona into table. But right now, to talk about development,
development. Development nto ndete gukora but kero to kwa development inje tindara development ito ndete gukora bakabono because if you can compare during engaki ya Uhuru nengaki ya Ruto na bakora nothing much has changed kene ngegi ya change rimo no turatebe
yeah there's much that time change the sokoro ngendo twate problem sai yoka na yamo antere problem nene floods tebo atimotete ko kwanda naki na wana floods in Nairobi Sakaja Tarakoraga si entoki floods things probably get the floods na chinche is a natural thing ya chite nembra ya tuete
okay ekero twendere tusanga asubwa mehemambia yabono mwanchumo ligere kurase ensemo yende asubwa ngomo nigo tukurase mnichiduka keigo kurwabu ningirane inseye dakika eyemo kurwabu twendere kwanira enkwani yeto emambia yabono nigo tukusabu kwa bera soko na cha enkwani yega se obwangomo no nyona etarachaka turase mirango chiduka akeigo
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Shauri sangwe ngaro moijana umozu batera mabwali
Muligeri bwa Nsoko TV oyo no moroberio gwokongoria mareko na inje mwana mboka Edwin Yang'au turabe tukumira na kira litukulie iki guchakira chinsa 11 chamogoroba wikenseyemo ya butuko kugwakorire emirimo yawo yerituko kwabokire orosete uikaransitero ya ubwe andaji tasekerugo orambulete merondo kunya gusibero ngori na hali ase screen ni chingero chikoretwo na Mwanambuka Edwin Nyang'au no tukonyora chingero cionse echiegita na chobenga kwa nubukano echiembegetere ndo gesong'engo twamiriria
Bakaliya omotoya kabwatwa Bakaliya omotoya kabwatwa amatukemeronge na gaika kabwatwa
ubugima n'urugendo rubwatamange amaya n'amabe umusakito Linet Nyambane niga ng'aririe imena isiko ya gusi na gusanga n'abayaeteire n'abakuyaetera
nchekera na ibole twe undango tebiwa ndabona ibole tukinde buya ngakina kinde buya ekera na chiko ke myaka sta ngachaka ngo develop ngoira samagoro wani kamenya gutokanga na twaliro bale ona wacha gitego
aya nime yo muroberio bumwenori kirari tukule Jumatano chinsabiri chabutuko imeya Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi amarire ni gagendere eye ni Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi.
Karibu na ndo mwanchomo rigereria twendere gusanga ayanda mange emambia ya bono na monekera tukuligereria bokorari ubwo bogendera tukweneke kurase ensemu ya serikali na bwo kweneke na imense tu ya Kenya munchiro lingororekanare asekera ekemo nigo twatigeregera twakwanira mangana igoro yechibesa na asensemu yende ale ni chibesa ayeno muntu kurasa rongo rwaitu rwagusi na monorongo rwagusi no manyete na konyege ntunkerekeria abantu abange bategemete mono na mangana yoboremi no boremi obugie kerogo tegerera umurai wense kerokeria kubokwanira ngukwanira ari igoro yobuyo bwe ligori riense bo kwira nyone na se usimeka chibando chingende na binto binde na gwikira boni yakero koligereria nigagote abana aba Kenya wetani chimilioni 5 na ibire wetani bare bagendere tukonyora obuyo bwe ligori riense aboigo asensemo yende system nere baretete yekerero ketukwana mangana teknolojia elina baremi banyari kweli ki ase system weye wese asomorobirio yoiga na elio ekwanguja konyoro obokorali kurase ensemeria serikali ase ngichekerenge kerene serikali nkelina asichinga chintambe tuatigera samangana ya analog tuatigera ase gekoromono bono nenga kiaikire tunganye guchia senchira yekerere bono nebana noboremi nebana nobokorali ando siasuganitie nigo batete guchenjikire gento guchia se ensemeria yekerere ka tuguchakira kurase ensemo yoboremi na aliagendrete gokorekana na mono engaki engabune yeiga nonye ne bonus yechae ntwarora buna yacha ntwaro mo senator we county ya Nyamira mugeni nera orwa sembeo twamanyagoswa senkwana eyegana atebana konyege kunyarikana tigali goli liechae libe shilingi 66 libaga lyo kare tule bonus shilingi 12
kere togocha ase obuoyo serikali atebire mna yare tobuoyo bwe beyanse lakini gusimono ntuborochi mono according to me nchengo bande gusimono abangina ngota serikali ngotangazere korwa asire radio ne TV na obuoyo bumboro lakini koko borio mongina gusiga na obuoyo bongo abonyorete agukana boyo buntoborochi bono mostly serikali gokuwa na mangana lakini ko implement ya se ground insali into kobarra usebanyora obuoyo bungo chabore pata ono irigo rirense lakini abaremis ko galia ebakone rwase irigo rire igoro
igemeretina nkigane irigo korekana iritumanye goikera sensemeri yoborimo munchiro lyamanya gokorekana iritumanye goika nabo igotubekane enselia murai wense okonya chinga gukwanira
mostly igento kibonete korekana mna serikali ria kwanire gento yabonete ko implement igento kuna yakwanire mostly konyora igokwana lakini they implement something which is different from what they say
na asensemu yende no nyenare kerotuka are no kwanira mangana ayega yoboremi nararie no uri na Musani ugaria uria tukora murukana nere migosi wikira boniga na boige kasinararie committee neraria committee gose egatibi munya kurigiria mang'ana yabaremi no nyene kunya kweneke na nyone mura sasa meria basasa monjira limuganitie na no nyene abayiburi baiti nyone na sobori mina barabumba rigotigara magega nararia mugenderete kogendere kura sense me yuna linero muri ria komanyana gentonkere kegendere to kwarekana gwikira bonaiga tebana no muntu bweka because opposition yagotabekana na inwe gentu yuka mumanyete no muntu lakini muri kworo kibikoro byeno naki ekera mwakwaneke kenekene kitu akorire kurwanirira umwana inchi
nimbwato Musani okorukwa Honorable Jeremiah Migosi ukoboria baseneta Nyamira County uraminyokire sana kurwanira umuremi ukurwa se county ya Nyamira na gusie ngima kwanza abaremi bechae otemire sana musiliaze bonus ria endrete na mnyogete bina kabisa ebibi areta matunda kurwa se Victoria ya Kebirigo amangana nara konyeta abaremi sana ekikeko gera abaremi bamwanchire mono na ndete kurwanira abaremi bechae ekikendrete tobere na sure tore sure na nendete nechereta matunda asabaremi bechae from next year yeah
nase obokorori bwe county ekero abarayi mukuburi abarayi barase county ya Nyamira nyona abarayi bande barabwo kuranira kwa bonkoro kyoko
abarayi tubwate
se ngicha abarayi baroro bachorire nandi barobisi
abarayi mbare bachorire Nyamira nandi barobisi kero bakuburi kwa mangane chae bagotemna ntondrete kuminyokia ntondrete kuboria mosire konyora bakonya kuboria lakini ngeri kore chekiareta asa matunda omuraya bwana tokwana na ndo implement agento keria kwanire
okunuko tena muisa nigeti no buraibura se county ya Nyamira gose inkerekiega bana
mostly no borio ndebwense kurwa se county ya Nyamira agotaina ntoisa nigeti asoburai bura se county ya Nyamira no chakera kurwa se governor paka CMCA nturaitsanika kurwa se na oburai bura se county ya Nyamira ntoisa nigeti
omuchando nabarayi bonsi gose nebintu gete bibere bitatu birimo otabana ekembo bekere ekembu yakere ekenkelibia segincho betana baratabana nugotaka kurusi umurayi yoyo lakini onyorana ekentonkera raka mu bibere bitatu biri okonyorana na gendrete gwikirania nebintu byonsi gose nebintu gete specific birimo otabana eke number 1 number 2 number 3 negeko geraona tutakwirani ase omwaka usaso mwaka ogoche
kerato correct ase mia asabara ibare se county ya Nyamira asigas bagokora etogote abuna ebagokora 10% asigajere obunte gokora they do only 10% 90% imbari gokora kende
ekero tukurana se esabari yega yo kurigerina maunchiro ya ganire gokoreka ni immensity ya Kenya kimanya go change yake eritugwekana ni nseria ya Singapore amane chinse chindi chiri chiagendere chire up to first world amangana agriculture matatari kwerera ase ensemo yechibando echaegiuka ntubwate bigwanda noroche bigwanda bire especially ase chinsemo chia Western Kenya wikiraboni noroche na alibagendere tokurwania kweguna nara igochite akagoreke wande keiga bakori emirimo bachirenka abantu abangago baharetirwo chaime igobono muchando yega bwana employment mbwango igora urachoere erikuriye linyona na sesemo yebigwanda byesukali umanyete tali ororoka nonyina sorongo rwa gusintu bwate especially sesemo yebunge ya South Mugrango matina barabungu simeka bare MSC elia korosia onguru nonyina se orogongo rwa Nyanza
ase eshida endete kubwatie biwanda bikubira sense ya Kenya okonyora mono ibakubionia okonyora serikali ere kubigura bado bareto muntu ko ne proxy no muntu okoire tu eriteria ina nero okuyegura lakini mostly okonyora nabantu abarase government na ubagukigura bone kerba kigurire kiarete shida baseria abantu bari ba gokororo yareta unemployment banyama ku replace nabantu bakurukuru ensemo yabo abantu bakurukuru si family yabo waba replace nabantu bari gokorero igase abantu bakorwa angenga buna ibwande ibi bono konyora eco create more unemployment in Kenya bono togote abuna Singapore togochia na unemployment tunkungaina natore ndokwenda Singapore and the way the rate of unemployment and the co-raise in Kenya Singapore ntoraenda bono iga
lakini ko mayite na se campus ase chisemi bro mogendera takonyera chisemi aino gwatu kugena no choliku kero gwakore
nimbwato kwegena ni ntari kurero nimbwato kwegera na emyake gocha ninche ndiku
libe kalio kwegenderera yabweka
riba gari okyo nabo kunya kuenderera inje bieka lakini nimbwato kuigeno na finally inje ndikwo.
Okay. Eke tukona magana y'ikisemi gwikira boni gantu bwate mu rubiri uyu kurukwana noro CBC gwikira boni ganuruche aso ikeire lakini mono emambia bono nukoligere mono asensemo ye university aye ne president ya borokyo gose ya student ya university ya Masai Mara na ekero tukoligere obokora libwene no yana sensemeri ya bara gwikira boni ga murucha ali agendera tikogenderwa model nere ataiga enya yo sponsor na bwigo gukonya aborokiwa wenyurase ngakire kure twabwate helba lakini gwikira boni ya model nerororo yura chikwerera subwa galena na kiebaire tena nigo mukonyara chibesa ekiko bagwase ebirengo gose chinsemo enye tubwate nsemo bari bakwenyara bari gatigatia bari batari kwenyara pi kogendera chinsemo ichi gwikira boni ya model eyo na kiebaire tebuna abanafunzi
gwikira bono iga model yintoko tebo na ningiere mono kero konyore serikali ikobaga chibese ichu wetira chinsemo isana seme korwa 1 kutoka korwa band 1 paka band 5 bono band 1 mbari batari kwenyara pi band 5 mbari bare buyake igo bono konyora mostly serikali nabe konyora yago confusely yakobekira se bari mutari kwenyara bono kwanyoro konyore shida asogwa kane fees konyora most of the students in the universities bago struggle mono asogwa kane fee bono ntoko tebo na ningiere mono na ndo konyora mostly ebese yu egochi ya delay gutumgoja ze school bono konyora the universities in Kenya kuchiko struggle mono asa kuendelea masomo ndo tebo na ningiere mono
so far so good chibese chigo chiacha na kichingania kerengo kya asengi nchenga kiria helba maitenego chiga chira up to around 60,000 wikira bori yakorenga nechi bandi chuno babegete bandi tangani ya kabire ya gatatu paka ya gatano
bono okonyora mwanafunzi liliore band 1 okonyora help igwechase ekurukuna upkeep igwechase account yao okonyora 30,000 liliore band 5 upkeep okonyora 20,000 bono konyora nchiri boye mono ego favor umwanafunzi yori okorwa se low background background batari kwenyara mono konyora ku favor mono konyora wakane fees yangi ya 4,000 to 5,000 per semester na konyora help ya 30,000 bono konyora ikuba favor mono kubwa bari bakorwa family chire gatigati kiora konyora kwegwe help ne fee yao imachiti korengana bono konyora turigo benefit kurwa se chibese chimono
na ichiri chiko gendo umete 30,000 ichiga use 20,000 chiri chiabe kwa se account yago igemireti na sesimi yago ya koboko na irenga chiko genda se account bono go chiko sponsor bona masomo fully bono ase chika kiria help bono kwa konyana 4,000 ase kerebesi gutume tunde ntangani 4,000 erego so ase account yagenda direct ase account yago yes school
okonyora chibese chigo so account ye school chigo vary according to chi student according to a band elio bekire bona iko range from 70,000 to 90,000 nichibe singi ya chiko na ze school lakini a problem igo che yaba chigo delay igo che okonyora chibe za ya last academic year nchiracha bakabona ya
woni ganchira ramo goda ibuna banafunzi
ya chitaracha
echa mwaka kyo echa semester
kyo semester ya erete nchiracha bakabona nchirato mu school
semester 2025 yo mwerekera mwari gukorera mutinyo 11
ya nchiracha school bakabona
bwani go semester
nendrete
igobona murobekere ni mugwate because you are the president of Masai Mara and at the end of the day meta barafunzi ngo chabare sole na ki unagibona tago tira go chichiwa BCH goroga bugo se murobekere mugwate because as leaders of universities you have to fight with murwanerere bari mokora murobekere mugwate kwanye tibese chichandire wekera bona igana ande chiracha
ntwaba tete ultimatum to over next week onye mbara chitoma ndikubaya ngova visit tole chia visit bakabona tuba visit kiera ntokunyara ko precious school eto services serikali iterato mabesa chiri chikorwa services ya chikucha sabanafunzi iko chiaba akon kuro school koran yeah
na gwatebera 70,000 nkirende moko bera mamincha bono rene serikali yega asengi nchekero ko yeri ase elienkoro ebese yargo so ase account it is like 4,000 kwa manya kubekero chinde ase simi yago yakoboko eyegoro che 30,000 ikona ande 7,000 labda ase bandi kolengane bandi eliore ngo so achira ase account 4,000 70,000 na ande bado kwa mamincha serikali ngayo ko ngotakali bono gabo
obo kongu ebore gaiga serikali itaete ko tenchiranire okorerekana mna mubikire band eti mino bono mbali mutari kwenyara ego discriminate abandi mino mbali mutari kwenyara mino mbali mukwenyara we are Kenyans tobwen koba asobwamo limo to move eri asobwamo lakini nchire bago to discriminate na minomba teri kwenyara minomba limo kwenyara teri ko babiya saba nafunzi ya teri ko babiya
so far so good ekara to kora senseme yo yechisemi korengana buna yaberege ko baga gwikira boni kwa ninga band 1 band 2 band 3 kogendera asibari mwatemere go icholi na boigo mubekire class stage kogendera formula ego chatumikwa nerie yeriko ene kina urita iyo mete na bora nyore na naruganire ko be band yose ne yakane lakini niga nyorete 1 na ngakinde kara kwa nyorire se enchire ngabune yubono rochena niko naganire ko ba 1 lakini nigombekire 3 na kimogocha mwakora so that serikali yache gukwirania elio obali ase oganiriko
liliogwa application ngochere yaba ya EF pono chi information chirioko ba na chibako enda baligereria bakorana ayobwe ntiko be band gate
urangaine rirede ase nginje banyita bakenya kiujumla nabakesana baratebekene
nabakesana baje batekene lakini information iliokorwa nero bagotumeka iliokorwa nero bagotumeka lakini njera nere bagotema ko limit abakenya bangemba mbangainereria
igo igemire tina
aide okonyora okobekwe band elitobwa ntikoba okonyora obekire band 4 obwe ntikoba band 1 wese band 2 ngocha bare bae na ninga kitu yo appeal kero wa appeal ngocha bare bari react to some of them ichinde mbari kunyara go
appeal okekero wa appeal re kakingani na 7 days 14 days omotienyi
appeal kwa kanyango motienyiga konyora bagosikire band
chibesa nenda abandi bakanyara chibesa tutigarite make
okorati karama lakini kwa mago chikanyara
okay ina sense mo area yechisemi toche asobwango maro ase amangana bwatikaine nobo chen wikiraboni gantu bwate community health workers bara up to around 105,000 abo batomere chinsemo au erio kwaswe binyoro ime na kuruwa bokora libuo bo chenu sha wikira bono iga asense mwene mogote bana shatiri gukora lakini serikali yagote bana ase umurubiri uri bwo bachenu bwo gukonya abana inchi libagali ya NHIF woni gani gutubwate sha no gendere to gukora emirimo na boigo abanyagitari mbare nyone county cheto akara ukuri county cheto of course gochuru kwa makongo makenya na bateresa na ase mbara konyara bategete go strike abuna bone county ya Mombasa mbaga niko kayanda umugiro wemirimo lakini bachite bagakwana bakaigwana meru bachite bagakwana bakairana na ekera tukuliria obochenu kiujumla na boigo gochia se sabari ya Singapore nkikiganira gokorekana na boigo kera tukulie state astore boneiga na astoganira koba
kera tukuliria obochenu tuchakira na kurusha sha serikali goteba ngo korere gas lakini tutore ground turochetere gokore gas
kera tukuliria ground kiore bono usane school wala
nkora arigere tore online mono kera tukuliria na report ya enanetu na auditor general atebete muna chikesi yange erivusita yabakungu banyorera abana gwikira gatatu aso mwaka oyomo na inde bakorusibeza kurwajesha bonto goteba obokora mburi toroche boregabu togoteba ngokorere gasi eserikali nero gotenga ngokorere gasi because they do benefit from SHA in tutore ground turgo benefit from SHA togoteba tiri gokora gasi
na bari batumire mari bakuna community health workers igona baka barabulende igokene kyo bagendere to
community health workers inche mnango kina no menyete kenyoro community health workers kirango chana igwe tamweyu inche tini gocha na barra kenyoro bye dinanya ko barra finally fwe
kenyoro no nyana yamate
inche na yakora community health worker ase kenyoro kiane
no manyete serikali etumita 105,000
na kinago taibuna serikali goche ya kwana lakini ko implement yegente kia se ground goche abega sengo ngoma kiara kurua se kinyoro kiane kianyangongo nje na yakora community health worker na yakora
uragwaki na goche
kunango kina goche na yakora community health worker
okay ayo na aratukunya gukwanira gusanga emambia yabono mwanchumo ligereria na mono kero tukwanira goro sabari yige inkima na boigo egatie bintu biria biganiri gokorekana ase obwagare emambia ya bono iga kekeritwa akore gukwanira mangana bwatikene no bochenu ase bono nigo tukura siumiri chiduka akeigo na kurwabu ntwirane eritogandira kurigereria ayande amange mtuchiko swa ase ensemo elio kurigereria nyanu bwagachi chinyumba chilgirire sabasai kwanyore besa ya nyota kwanza
Ebese ya nyota
ya ena 22,000
ya ena netu asabantu balia bata rwete korwa high school which is university which is college bono ntundo ero chibese ibi
tugera nantiko yakwanira yo ase obwagare nabo igonto chukwanira yo bokorari no nyene obwabaraja bagara challenges bagocha baetera na mono asobokorari bwabo bunabarayi bari abachorere ase university asebora to skare ne TV yago tararasi mbiri chidoka
Eye Nensoko TV. Uboroso bw'umugusi. Obutindiro bosombasi amate ninki kere tokore.
Asamari etangoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togo konya abantu bari amaruna amariogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Etogo konya abantu buna umwanafunzi orenge kwenda university ongere gutumia maruna mariogo yogotindi amosariri wono yaikireke wango guikarwarigo kwanya oroyonde orenge kwenda kanisa utigire onge yakonywa mariogo yogotindi na amaru abasari erio twabaretaga Betami twabarwari erinde obugima bwabo bwirane gochaso obugima bwe
asamange twakirisimya se namba 07 06 84 0844 Betami Rehabilitation Center lichiburi gukora kingatare icyobutino. Je, unakusudia kwenda sherehe itakaosalia katika mioyo ya watu kama kumbukumbu daima? JN Java tupo kwa ajili yako. Tunabadili kila tukio la furaha, fahari na ubora usipimika. Tunatoa huduma mbalimbali kama vile viti vya kila aina, mimbari au meza za kuvutia, hema za kisasa, mapambo ya kuvutia, taa za kila aina, upishi wa vyakula vitamu, vioo vya kisasa, zulia za kila aina, mfumo wa matangazo kwa umma yani PS system, miongoni mwa huduma nyingi kwa bei rafiki. Kwa mengi zaidi, tutembelee katika ofisi zetu zilizopo katika jiji kuu la Nairobi kwenye eneo la maonyesho yani showground. Na ukiwa mjini Kisii ni katika eneo la Mwembe kwenye jengo la JN Java lililo karibu na jumba la Istena White House. Au unaweza kuwasiliana nasi kupitia nambari 0790720710 au tuandikie barua pepe kupitia anwani sales@jnjava.co.ke. JN Java, kila tukio lina hadithi, tuandike pamoja. Eye Nensoko TV. Uboroso bw'umugusi.
Karibu rende asensemo yega ya gatatema mbiabono kitugandira tugusanga asi ubwaga niga twatigera useni go twagenda umutimuko mwinge kara twarukwanira iguru ya mangana yabasaye na muno kero bakoligiririgwa asi ubwagare gwikira boni ga korenga ne serikali mu baruri bwa serikali abasaye 820,000 mwanyonire chibese chia nyota chibese ichiga kero koligirire nigo chira up to 50,000 lakini ikine kingesigirige tangani na ki 22,000 ichiga mwanyonire amaigelio kero kwanyorera amagero kwanyorera bese yiga uyoga tagete kwenda kwa ntisimo kichiaye yoga niti kwenda kwa mutumbo yoga niti kwenda kwa kolera bunchiro libonde bwensi agenda konye nebesa yiga bune nchira ya muri niyo kuligirire na ki musayitari kutigara busa nera nyore egenta gukora ekero keria tugukwanira amangana yokuborwa kwemirimo imeyense no useko kiana emirimo
kero tukurigiriria chibese chia nyota abantu bari batebire banyorire. I have friends batebire na chibese chibakinyorire chiabure ndikova 50,000 kere serikali bare ko batebya antu ba apply chibese chi batebire chire 50,000 lakini libori ito
ikababona niga egosegeto musaye na 50,000 nebe singi ya
50,000 nebe singi serikali ya Kenya kwanza nto ye maite bya no naino ye maite iba hoja batebana nkuru bare 50,000 lakini bararure 22,000 22,000
Isato chiachira savings
savings isato nore sure mna mbaje barete 22,000 echinde
usineira bate abana besa bichira umwaka no royo
serikali ene yechira ntoye maete ne yechira ribate bire nankoru bari mbaje baru tari mono baraje guikira niko koina ni chindangani bono na ende dine chibese chibaje ena ni 22,000 bakatebona babundi sirabanta abanyore chibese echi enjera babonente guchitumeka nche mabundi site nyaro chibiya toko bundi sa monta se wikemo na abonente gutumeka chibesa na enda chachi tumeke boy una komate umuntu totebe umuntu akor from a very humble background kwa moire 22,000 kera korigere none nyomba yae yabeire bobe agotwerwa nobwe norengere tuna 22,000 echinachirusia chake biashara aratiga araresko
kumanyita basaye baicha bange aseto kuroro gongo rwa gusinko igwole na karara gacha baminto no chobe people bwango iganga irende bono kuchikoba guchakoreta lini no nyino murunga yikoche kumubeka igo koramnyoka bwango bwangora kiakanga ndaragora mabati yone ni 15 ndarabeka agasaiga kane muineye abayiburi bamberere bobe
bono nakingo tebuna no abasaya babanyorete chibese echi bachake biashara tari mono barachake biashara nande konyora abasaya mbare bakonyo gento kekero anyore 22,000 igesiamiae agokumia umyo kora beke gento kekero mate 20,000 nebe senke bobe enke koko yerusirimo kabereiga ya erire bono na tebereti chibese 22,000 inchi reduce the rate of unemployment in Kenya kongaina natore te konyarika
asaba sande bari bago kwarorera na maiso na kibakora kenonyene message na banyorira baragwo na kichaba konyira bono nkibakorera
keronko barigereria tingote yabona chiaba konyire tingote yabona chiaba konyire kera umusaye mono no muntu bwante korrekana bia akwenda uragura kayanga kabere eyemo ibereiga ora alikende chiaerire nchirambara akora kende tingote yabona chibese ichi nchikonya abasaye serikali yabwente kurigia ne agacha none chi factory abasaye babe kwigasi oro bakore tote yabona bako bachibeza bachake biashara abantu bari batari business oriented mate uchake biashara mbare bago temna ukuchake biashara igana uchakonyore profit konyore profit tarieri nkura irore nono mwaka oyomo emyaka ebere umaye uchakonyore profit iguchagu sustain kwanyore profit kwanyore stock na ndia ku maintain bia bono tote nanto musai 22,000 achake biashara none chinyanya chiuka nebitunguo toguchake stock ya 22,000 kuraga acha kabanda iga akugo chakera 10,000 chiara chire stock ya 10,000 rainde tego gokonya uchakire biashara serikali gotonga imere iye ne campaign strategy yao
na so konyorongo kurani asisemi serikali ni gete kweka mono asamangana yabasaye kwegerwa chigase chigachia magoko chitibet of course yone ko rase university lakini ekero koligereria ase manifesteri yabo gusomurubero libabwate niko batete baige kamono ekero tugokwanira TVET na boigo KMTC abwaswekera boniga nyona na somuruberi bwo gachwe chinyomba chiri gulirense kire university kwa na college TVET magendera to commenta ebitanda gete chinyomba chi block ya gachwa ya bekwe bitanda kogenda nekirenge kenene nkerina libaga y'abarafunzi abange gusaba saya abange kogenda si university konyora chi degree kyango na kire buyabona toira ne ilikuwa ikasinga poboronge bironga ntotake tanto akorea chigasi chama boko muntu akora plumbing uyo gochekobeka style igali yo chigotobekere stimo yo chakora bintigo byonsipi na inwe na yekero kwa ari gukora form 4 ni gomanye tena university yo kenjege ntotake tene degree kurwa ngenda masters ngenda go chimoino doctorate ngenda go chimoino umurayi bwense ategeta kwera ni asensemo HTV chimoinoga murobiro ina kyoberete gwikira boniga
TVET ni chigasi magoko teribobe I support it abasaye ntogote amna bono tokore chi degree chion spinto nyore gasi
lakini abo manyete no muichire
abo no toichire
bono
igendo toguichore roro nankeri mna serikali gote amna tonda se TVET lakini ba prioritize university education bono to kogenda se TVET to kogenda se gendo gitari prioritized utige gendo kire prioritized bono serikali gote chezera gendo kuna reverse psychology kegera no ekobeka chibe sinyinga se chi university pono bataita abantu baredisi kuba bagocha si university baredisi basigo tumwa si university kero bakobeka chibesi nyingi bagotume TVET asokwenda kuyakanda chibesi bono yiko kuna reverse psychology bono nye serikali ye kere with a goodwill yo konya basaye tigaba beke chibesa as TVET kwenda ro wasoma wakane efficient no 2000 wakore kwesi yao iki nabige go encourage abasa abangi kugenda CTVET to kugenda CTVET uyakanire efficiency umuntu wende se university wakane ruefi ije kuna reverse psychology te konyarekana onye serikali kere ready with a goodwill yoko konya abasa tige prioritize CTVET
ebigwanda biri kwara goteba na bono na ebigwanda byagachwe n'abasai banyore emirimo roro kiganchike ke infrastructure fund userende ine ere emirimo yae nande ne rumure mamincha na kerekyo ine ere emirimo yekibese ekiga ngaire motogete wone bigwanda ebiga birwe asengencho ine ere emirimo emenene yekigancheke
ne ere emirimo yabo kibesa nabachiko ba located lero kyo kwagache kiwanda gete utateba se county ya Nyamira lakini ikiwanda ikigego kikoba functional in 20 years to come te konyarekana kibese jonyari chiko tomugo chiorro tukukiagache kiwanda kina 20 years ikinge kunyara okonya basai na abaru baloke kibese chibona iga nchiko ba beneficiary asaba sai bale random played as a country ya Kenya bona
ekero to kwanira mangana infrastructure engakia yemo nonyege kero kwara gotegerera ngo mugwigwete negetigia Jack Jomo Kenyatta International Airport kiganiri kiaba upgraded kiaga chubya na egatia siba sigo chakorwa na uchigo chakorwa egase kigancheke gatugo kwanira na boy igo kigancheke gamangana yechipara no akali mega iga na umuraibwense aseira ya kilomita ganiri kiraniwa goiko mwako 2027 no anekero go ligereria mangana alia 10 point agenda amangana infrastructure bado na kwanirero ajwa kure mpaka nyona na counties nyone binyoro byeito na chipare binyoro byetumbiganiri birabe amakori ali arusi woro raseli kolirire kubwatarana ne county government devolution goche ne serikali yanene ne chipara chiranda national government asti chiranda county yani asobwenge ebinyoro birabe nsito ya Kenya erabe na ebiga byonse bingo bira ikenane ekero keria barayi barabwatarane na gocha ase obomo ketukalira amangana yubogachi which parana we expand na kwene kina infrastructure na rongo ikerani gwere asinjira erendonke
kiretugo cha samangana chipara tingo nyara ukwana se county ya Makueni tingo nyara ukwana se county ya Trans Nzoia ngoira na se county ya Nyamira sengorwa chipara se county ya Nyamira ndoko teba nambia chire togo face ya engakien kongbubi ko move around ekase county ya Nyamira aseng totebe ki emburendre tegotwa abana inchi ba se county ya Nyamira bakonyora engakien kong para buya igonchi ya se county ya Nyamira koko boria baraibaroro ebagote una emburane endrete gotwa tige emburera asira toche to maintain chipali icho bono kotemana serikali echebeke chibesa kurua national government nchiri goche cheka county government bia ndogote abangu ikachire chionse bonto tebe mbare bakora rusinke
bakora abega kawo
bakora abega kawo kiko ikase county government nero nkobegera ake
kumenyeta soko enseme iyo kobega ntubata mwana leadership integrity umanyeta nayo murai we university abungo chitororo rende tochikubora nina igona bomo kale gokora igarende na kiebese lie bekire labda nikuganira kurwa bokora lyo boronge guchia saba nafunzi wetera sebe selia mogocha mwaewa na bomogocha mwara abega igongo chitororo karakorana na mangana anyamira kwanza
bono kiwe kase contractor contractor ya begake bono kere pare gocha korosigwe pare korosigwa teri koba professional nechibesiri chia lobete allocated ya separe yo muna mostly se county ya Nyamira we are facing a lot of challenge asibe amangane chipara nchiri goiteka koko boria omu MC ogo atuna ntori koigwena na governor ise iginere endrete bono tari kungarukete richibesa se chiko maintain ese chipari chito bono konyore ise iginere endrete se county ya Nyamira between the MCAs and the governor iya nyare kobeka o development ya se county ya Nyamira ya very so low na kingota yabna 2027 ya isire goika is the time to when to make a change as a county ya Nyamira tuchakire kurwa somo governor paka bwande guchinse ma tena tuchenchi mu governor bweka ndo chenchi aba MCA okonyora bado balimba bwatenjira bakorere miremo eye gochiko koreta low development ya county ya Nyamira bonto guchikucha kurwa somo governor uchia bwande bonse to make a change makinata yabuna ingakiya ikira bono yabasai ntuna basai tuimuke turigereria sabanta abakuburi obugavana umusaye ningo urate nene mono arete development maitenga gento nkire muna abasae na ubararete development bara gototebuna inua basae ni ntua barai ni inua barai mamambi
lakini mokorata development kiama mobwati emore partyless emore tribeless emore leaderless na kiona mokoreta ama unchoreria yaiga gusama gendra yaiga rende kumanyete na one how expensive tuchakira abo how expensive the campaign chiguta chiaba two you need a political party no manyete especially asorongo rwagusi mbaroro bakibabere batatu iga baetire independently bagoche baso etebe baso independent lakini baita lakini nerebya no manyete political temperatures na boigo no manyete landscape ya Kenya bunere gwikira bodi gana ki asamangani kiama aro gwiko kari gento kiki gwiko base kiama gete asa abantu bagotebana ki oyo ni gari kiama X oyo ni gari kiama B oyo ni gari kiama gete unaboni gano roche wewere gusina bagotebana niko batete goche gwake suti wetera se kiama kerige kuragwa na daktari Freddy Matiang'i na kurugoro to change pako korensa yesuti kurugoro mpaka inse kuru MCA paka ekegoro more partyless more leaderless ebinte bigo byase na kibigo cyo gwikirana nene moche gochora moso asobra ibona
ntubuna basae enotion nere endrete mna wikobe nyuma ya Matiang'i irinde to wakere kura we want to demolish that notion abantu mbare bare incompetent arona boro baroche bare incompetent lakini baby sete babwaterete goti ya Matiang'i etintu no torase Matiang'i Matiang'i atebe abantu bunabo abasae 2027 etogocha kubugorio ebagwacho tokubaita kurumaga ya Matiang'i Matiang'i tariere ogocha gotete yumugavana noyo
komanyete bagwache ino kubwate kura ne kureyo akarukulire umubaro kolengana data eri rweta sekyo bekirike ibisi wikiraboniga abasae muragwata kura
egento gekogera abasae batarabwate kura musiri abasae boniga banginiji school bare bone baganyete long holiday gegoika baende bono ase county eri ya Nyamira obwate chikura
nore nekene mbabwate
ninde nekene namba bwate ninde nekene na long holiday gegoika ngoenda bara ase county ya Nyamira obwate kura erinde tochoro umurai na ndo umurai oro musae na inde tuiwana ndem abasae bonse njende secretary general ya banafunzi bakosoma AST University ne college kurwa se county ya Nyamira bono tuiwana ndire ndu atwaro umusangere tukaikaranza tukaiwana na ntu abasae etokwenda tuikaranze turigererie tuguchigwakira abasae chikura umugavana uikabo musae and no maito musae no yomubiko utenina soba gavana uyo korukuna Dr. Walton Kuni Chanua kiroko murigereri mono na ntu abasae is a man o to empower na ntu abasae ukurigereria as university abasae mono bakurwa se bakosoma as university bakurwa from the humble background ngoba sponsorship boni gamna manyete na ndrete go sponsor around 100 students bakosoma as university kurwa se county ya Nyamira na bwato
nigako ba sponsor kurwa county ya Nyamira ose nigako ba sponsor sengincho university eliole igera se county area murayo yo gwakwana aro muraya se county eyo
no
ni ndige university ole no ara se county eyo na andi nero mwanyano sino ara so muraya se county eyo
yeah
okay
ni ndigereria kero sponsorship ya ere totebe Masai Mara University ya sponsor only 2 lakini abande University of Nairobi Maseno University Kisii University bali bakuru from humble background na wate Chanua foundation iye go sponsor aba nafunzi from humble background elinde banyara gukora amasomo abo ase university na ende chi college paka chi high school na ndete gokonya abanafunzi from the humble background ukorigereria ari ese county ya Nyamira bali bakuru from humble background ngo bagakirale ngo bagakirale chinyomba ngo konyara abataka kurwa se county ya Nyamira ababoraka ngo bakonyara kurwa se county ya Nyamira ukorigere nona se biombe byabangina Chanua ngo charo so ebinyoro ime okonya nona abangina bakurwa kurwa se county ya Nyamira bona kirongo tayamna umusae urarete change ase county ya Nyamira no musae bwate vision Dr. Walton Kuni Chanua kero korigere nona asichi semi nonji school kurwa se county ya Nyamira ne batari umurai ochori kurwa se county ya Nyamira urigere nona se school yeito togeri kurwa se county ya Nyamira ekuru kunyambari high school Chanua na chietoro akabagajira ne social hall asibe stiae tere kurumu ukoe etiae akabagajira hall na kitote mna toise kwa umurai umusayo kuru Walton Kuni Chanua na tokonye narete change ase county ya Nyamira
hayengo boro lekero apart from leadership ya university 2027 ngwera no libaono e ground wira ni nyikenyoro mali asurita singincho bona basaye mwate bana motete mosoka so bonge abagaka baganda bagachiko ayengo esokiore
before the year ends Kiabanyaru ward inchengichi kiaira bono abagaka banyagota temna intua basaye nobora ni intua barayiba mambia nturo chimambie go senecheike mambie yaikire abagake mwatete eti ntuna barayiba mambie mo ikaranza ntumambie rende yaikire moto support
ekara togendera tugukura na boigo asugukurira subwango mono igore isabari yeiga obo mombore bware tiruga igana elio twikirania mu rubiri yiga u Singapore kiama kia ODM kiama kia UDA bara bamwire go chamo yari kubwatirana kwene kina yego nsingo kole kanare kero gotegerera Oburu Oginga uyoro murai wikiama kia ODM na boigo masenator we county ya Siaya nigakwerera na baba nyagusirana tebete na nkubairande Canaan ntuchiti weika kolene nchibuna na achire nkuba ikinde Canaan lakini gwikamba eteri Singapore UDA na ODM kubwatira namo
UDA na ODM kubwatira namo
na recommend na bwigoro meeting iro mete ya bwata babunge 253 yebono kuru both ODM na boigo ase kiama kia UDA
totebe na Kenya tu abeire abante bakomye kamanase okoba kokore bona totebe
bare ari gana umusuri no uri muino gaiga no wangu umusuri no kan
na bonkana because I'm trying to be a leader who has integrity. Integrity. Na ndi manyetege ntongo chiera.
Okay.
Bono natateba ODM na UDM babuaterane. According to me, it will be wrong. Tebwene tikoba igo. Bono totebna ababunga abambrara ensembo bere. Esenga yeroji.
Yebona.
Intori united opposition. We are united alternative government. Alternative. We are the alternative of this failed government. We need to make a change. A change yeye na kitoko bangeria abantu bonse bachamo. We make an alternative government. Yeah.
Na ekironkera alia kiama kiodi mbata kyo mokonyi bo muraibense. Baigwo sembaigwa.
Oburu Odinga bata tekero kyo mokonyi bense.
Yebara.
Tuna alternative government etoko support baigwe.
Yebara.
Elinde tonyore block ya Mount Kenya.
Okay.
Dikabaigwe. Tutoke support baigwe.
Aina atogandira tagosanga emambia ya bona kerekeria tugukurira niguro ya mangana a leadership integrity inse dakika moiga kera tugukurira mambia bona se enkwane ya ito abaraya bange nyone kuru ase university bunoro murai gocha andonsi ya so monta gotekana ono murai abaraya bange nigo mokobuniwa usenigo bakubuniwa amangana bwatikaine no bukurumi gusobo tumekyo bube bwekibesa kuru ase ensemo yago
obo tumekyo bube bwekibesa ebogo chaka mono kurwase ingakiye campaign okonyora bono murai agotumika chipesi nyingi etimuno onye tori goto abana inchi bata no onye tori goto sera ndoriko kwakura bono abana inji aba bari ground na ubako make corruption na ubako na no corruption yigo chaka ko grow from the ground bitinga kiye campaign wikoba ekende bache uwakire kura
ayengo atumika tebesa
Kamanya
kobo murai
sinati mugetebes
ose igorene na yengo aserete
no na serete na serete but in politics you must have money to run a campaign you must have money tali yoko abana inji boka logistics pakotware expensive.
How expensive is it a campaign your campus
it's expensive
ekero ko yerencheri between maybe 10,000 to 100,000 100,000 to 1 million.
It depends according to a campus yokorwa. Campus monachi nyinge oko chakra from 200 to 500,000. As campus chinke. Bono na campus nene na boko ka okorwa from 500,000 to 1 million.
Okay.
Gabu no okorencheri gabu.
Okay. Ekero kere tugukora indoche chiujumbe chiriye gatichi aswera igo musorwe getsu mbyamona asokubati umurubiri oyo igo kurukwana lele Livestone Mbaka Stone is watching kurwa Masai Mara University out abana big up president oyo kurukwa Evanson Mausamose aigabo basiturwa egeturi komo ime yumurubiri oyo kurukwana nere Jumia Cells bacteria Steven Agari kuruma Masai Mara University oyo kurukwa unanere Tina Christine sasa tunasikia sijui Okay, woyo korukona nere wakili Machani, I am waiting to see my president. Abunenga kiri twari guchakira Samson ogeni byamana soko bwatia na boigo enkwana eyega emambia yabone kero kirindo che Aska Brian Machani Brian Joy Chepkemoi uyo korukwa Kevin Kombo on say tutu Joshua Onkundi, pass my greetings ama kwa niaye ocha sore mambia bono mkufunzi Meshak na bande abange gabuyo kurukwa na onseye tutu kwande rigore ya chanwa chi comment chira buni chinge sana buna baba tukira mangana be mambia ya bono ekero kwa nyaruwe karansta sekeruwe keiga nsechi sekunde 30 choka kamera yago neye ire namba 2 liuko liago ndire lieli emambia ya bono ikena mwekera to kwande rigoro yesabali yeiga na boigo busi bobo chori bu mwako 2027 liruberi yago
liruberi ane gochesa bana ijiba Kenya ngobeta ibuna ntonga inu into ike Singapore tigaturigereria te alternative one torigereria to yosento nyare shortcut yoko make Kenya enyore change. We need a change, not we need to go to Singapore. Singapore nabuto gocha goika engaki gochi motu but ebintu mbire gaiga we need to work on first nyuma tutareka Singapore. Ndoko te anto ende Singapore with an employment. Ndoko te anto ende Singapore with development issues. Bono ntora ba ready kwenda Singapore. Tigatora work on the ground nyuma tutaracha kugenda Singapore. Yeah.
Biyamano mwancho murigere na wikaraga buna tukwikira omweryo bumurobereto ase lyarero goikanande eikiende kurinde lyankyo ntumirane enseyemo ya mogorobane chinsisato asama ya sinchira yubukira rugura baseki baito barache ko ya arigane asabono nakoganirie ritukuriria wika lyankyo.
Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.